Google Translate just got a major AI upgrade, and some people are already calling it a Duolingo killer. From AI-powered lessons that adapt to your skill level to real-time live translations, let's break down everything new, how it works, and whether it can really replace your favorite language app. This week, Google rolled out two big features for Translate on iOS and Android. First, AI-generated practice lessons that adjust to your level. Second, a live conversation upgrade that translates speech in real time while you're talking. Both are in beta, but they're already raising eyebrows. Here's how the lessons work. You choose your skill level: basic, intermediate, or advanced. Optionally, you tell Translate your motivation for learning. Then, AI builds scenarios for you. Example, you pick a food-related scenario. Translate might play you a clip about meal times. If you're practicing listening, you identify words you hear. If you're speaking, you read and repeat phrases on screen. The idea is adaptive micro-lessons, powered by Google's language models and built with help from learning experts. This is a big deal because Translate was always a utility tool. Type text, get text back. Now it's moving into active teaching, a space dominated by apps like Duolingo, Babbel, and Busuu. If Google nails adaptive practice, they've got a serious competitive edge, especially since Translate is already free and widely used. The second feature is all about real conversations. Turn on Translate's conversation mode. Start talking. And now the app shows a live translation on screen as you speak. Once you finish, it can also read out the full transcript. This supports over 70 languages, including Arabic, French, Hindi, Korean, Spanish, and Tamil, and is launching in the US, India, and Mexico first. Strengths? It's instant, adaptive, and free. Weaknesses? Right now it's still basic compared to Duolingo's gamified lessons. No streaks, no leaderboards, and limited practice types. And since it's rolling out slowly, you might not see it on your app just yet. Make no mistake, this is Google stepping directly into Duolingo's lane. Duolingo has gamification, Google has scale and AI muscle. If Translate evolves into a full-fledged tutor with reminders, rewards, and more advanced exercises, it could pressure Duolingo to level up fast. So, should you ditch Duolingo right now? Not yet. Translate's lessons are early stage. But if you want quick adaptive practice for travel or casual learning, it's a great free option. Duolingo still wins for structured courses and community motivation. The real winner? Language learners, because the competition just got intense. What do you think? Will Google Translate's AI lessons eventually replace Duolingo? Or do you see them as totally different tools? Let me know in the comments. Smash that like button, subscribe for more AI plus tech breakdowns, and I'll catch you in the next one.